Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is May the 3rd. My journey to 50k. I'm currently at 139 to 56, so down by about 1.5% for the day, which is about 2,100. For the past week, down by about 1.6%, which is about 2,300. For the past month, down by about 1.4%, which is about 2,000. And for the past 3 months, down by about 20%, which is about 36,000. And then for the past year, up by about 48%, which is about 45,300. So if you're new to this channel, I usually show my daily, weekly, monthly, 3 months and year action in my account every single day, while I cover a few stocks that I have, as well as some that I have on the watch list. So today, straight to it, we'll be talking about ticker symbol OCGN, Ocugen Inc. Currently at 15.04. You can see it popped up today about 18%. You can see for the past week it's up by about 40%. For the past month, up by about 122%. Past 3 months, up by about 722%. And for the past year, up by about 4%. So this is a company you should have in your watch list if you're thinking about a pharmaceutical company that has potential. I think this is one of them. I haven't taken a position yet. I've just been checking it out for the past few weeks, and I feel like I missed out getting in on this one, but we've covered it a while back. So you can see the volume today is about 123 million. Actually, I think it's the most traded stock since today morning. So there's a lot of interest in on both sides, short sellers and also buyers trying to make some money on this. So if you're going to get in this prices, just make sure you're aware that there's a lot of volatility and a lot of action going on. Quick reminder, this is always just for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own due diligence. Let's see, we can see it has a 52-week high of about 18.77, which is not far from where it's at. Just a little bit about less than $4. They should be kind of where the 52-week high is. The market cap pretty decent, 2.73 billion, and they had some news which we'll cover a little bit shortly. But for those people who don't know what this company does, I'll just read a little bit about it. Ocugen Inc. engages in the development and commercialization of therapies for eye diseases. Its pipeline includes OQ400, OQ410, OQ200, and Covaxin. The firm's modified gene therapy platform engages to address retinal diseases, including retinitis pigmentosa, Leber congenital amaurosis, and dry age-related macular degeneration. The company was founded by Shankar Monsunuri and Uday B. Compeller in 2013 and is headquartered in Malvern, Pennsylvania. The listed name of OCGN is Ocugen Inc. Common stock, and you can see they have 15 employees, but don't usually take this data from Robinhood as the gospel truth. It's usually a bit off, so just be aware of that. You can see they have earnings on the 14th of this month. So we are expecting, with all this rally that it's been coming up, for them to beat the expectations. So if you're playing this stock, remember that in a week or so they're expected to have their numbers, and trading close to earnings is a bit risky, so just be aware of that. Let's go straight to the article, kind of see what it says. So here, vaccine candidate potentially effective versus new coronavirus strains. So Ocugen said Monday that Covaxin COVID-19 vaccine is developing for the U.S. market is potentially effective against new strains of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that has caused the pandemic. The results of lab studies by the Indian Council of Medical Research suggest that the vaccine created by India's Bharat Biotech is effective against several mutated versions of COVID-19, including the UK variant and India's double mutant variant, Ocugen said. Ocugen, based in Malvern, Pennsylvania, is developing Covaxin for the U.S. market. The company is preparing to file an application for emergency use authorization. Chairman and CEO Dr. Shankar Monsunuri said. So we expect a big rally on this stock as soon as there's news that there's a really good potential the FDA will approve them. So it's not too late. If you're able to get into a dip, I might just maybe do an option play once it dips, and then try and ride a little bit out and see how that goes. But yeah, I wanted to kind of put it in your radar for those who didn't have an idea about this stock. I think it's good to have a little bit of some risky plays, mostly in the medical pharma space. But yeah, that's it for me. Hopefully you're having a great day. Be green, be safe. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and also use the links below to get some free stocks. Bye.